Hello everyone, we are in the same chapter matrix and determinant. Today we are going to see how to find the inverse of a matrix. Inverse of matrix. Okay, using adjoint method. We already studied adjoint, how to find the adjoint in a previous session using adjoint method. Okay, before that in the question paper, last year question paper, there are some questions depending on previous session. So we are going to solve these questions, okay, for a practice purpose. This is the question, C question. Okay, I write here. See, what is the question here? If x3, 8, 6 is a singular matrix, then find value of x. Find x. I write x only. Okay. See, this is the second question. Attempt any 4 of the following. In that C question, it is for 4 marks. Okay. See how to find it. What they said, it is a singular matrix. This matrix is a singular matrix, and we know the definition of singular matrix. What is the definition? Determinant, I write here, determinant x3, 8, 6 is equal to 0, because given matrix is singular. Otherwise, write here using definition of singularity. Using definition of singularity. I write this. Okay. We know how to solve this determinant. Start from this, take a cross multiplication. So it is 6x, 6 into x minus 8 into 3 minus 24 is equal to 0. Okay. Next is what? See how simple question asked in exam. So this plus become positive. Here 6 is multiply here, implies that x equal to 24 by 6. So it is 4. Clear? Understood? So it is for 4 marks. You will get the 4 marks. How simple it is. Don't miss out. Okay. See the next question. This one. Question 3. So question 3 is attempt any 4 of the following. In that, second is on matrix. So it is for 4 marks. See what is the question here. I write here. If A equal to 2, 3, 4, 1, B equal to 1, 1, 3, 2, find 3A minus twice B. It is also for 4 marks. See how simple example is. Okay. What we have to find? We have to find this. Okay. This is a scalar multiplication and minus. Okay. So we have to find this. What we do here? They given A and B matrices. First find 3A. Simply multiply 3 by A matrix. Each and every element of A matrix. Okay. We get 3A. 3 into 2, it is 6. 3 into 3, it is 9. 3 into 4, it is 12. 3 into 1, it is 3. Okay. Now, find out 2B. 2 into B matrix. 1, 1, 3, 2. Equal to 2 into 1, 2. Multiply 2 by each and every element of B. Here 6, here 4. Now from equation 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, we write thrice A minus twice B. Thrice A is this 6, 9, 12, 3. 2B is 2, 2, 6, 4. See how simple it is. Equal to. I write here 6 minus 2. It is 4. 9 minus 2. It is 7. 12 minus 6. 6. 3 minus 4. Minus 1. This is my required answer. This is for 4 marks. See. Very simple it is. Okay. Ask in university question. See the type of questions. Next, in the same question paper, next question is in the fourth question. Show that the matrix A, I write matrix A here. Matrix A 1, 2, 1, 3. Show that the matrix A satisfies the equation A square minus 4A plus I equal to 0. Okay. We have to show that this matrix satisfies this equation. Means what? After putting the matrices here, we get 0. Okay. It is for 4 marks. See what they want. A square. Find out A square. A square is what? A into A. Don't do like this. A square. 1 square is 1. 2 square is 4. 1 square is 1. 3 square is 9. No, this is a wrong method. Okay. What we have to do here, for the A square, write down A into A. And we know the product. How to take a product. 1, 2, 1, 3. How to take product? First row, first column. 1 into 1, 1 plus 2 into 1, 2. Okay, shift the column here. Keep this row as it is. 1 into 2, 2 plus 2 into 3, it is 6. There is no column. Close the matrix. Shift the row. Again first column. 1 into 1, 1. 3 into 1, 3. Shift the column. Keep this row as it is. 1 into 2, 2 plus 3 into 3, 9. Okay, finish. I write here A square. A square is 3, 8, 4, 11. Okay, this is my A square. Now find out, call it as equation 1. Find out 4A. How to find 4A? Simply multiply 4 by A. 1, 2, 1, 3. So 4A is 4, 8, 4, 12. Okay. Now call it as equation 2. A square minus 4A plus I equal to. From equation 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Write down A square. A square is 3, 8, 4, 11 minus 4A. Minus 4A is 4, 8, 4, 12 plus I. See how to choose the I. I is the identity matrix here. What they given? They given 2 by 2 matrix. So write here 2 by 2 I. Identity matrix. 0, 1 means I2. Take I2 here. 1, 0, 0, 1. If they given 3 by 3 matrix, I write here 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay. So, see what is the answer? 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. 8 minus 8, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. 11 minus 12, minus 1. And this 1, 0, 0, 1. Sorry, 1. Now take addition. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. Here 0 plus 0, 0. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. So what we get here? Equal to 0. Hence proof. Hence proof. Write down this below this step. Write down this and write down. Hence proof. Okay. This is for 4 marks. In the next question paper, there is one question for 2 marks. Fill in the blanks. If A and B are matrices, if A and B matrices are of same order, and A plus B equal to B plus A, this law is called, law is known as they give an option here: commutative law, associative law and Cramer's law. So answer is commutative law. We already studied this topic, commutative law. Sometimes they given options, sometimes they are not. So learn it, commutative law. Okay, this is for 2 marks. Next question is define the term matrices. It is for 4 marks. So define term matrices. What we have to write here? Matrix is an arrangement of rows and columns. In the rectangular bracket. Okay. For example, A equal to A, B, C, D. This is the matrix of order 2 by 2. Why? Because there are 2 rows and 2 columns. Clear? It is always denoted by capital letters. Here we can also say that this is A11, A12, A21, A22. Okay, you can write it as in a 3 by 3 also. So here we write A11, A12, A21, A22 are elements of matrix. Give some more examples. For example, A equal to 2, 3, 4, minus 1, 0, 3. This is also matrix of order 2 by 3. So this is for 4 marks. Okay, don't miss out. It is very simple. Okay, in the next third question, they ask find A plus B equal to B plus A. Commutative law. The given matrices A equal to 1, 2, 2, 1, B equal to 3, 1, minus 1, minus 2. Okay. What we have to show that A plus B equal to B plus A. Okay. First find A plus B. How to find A plus B? 1 plus 3 is 4. 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus minus 2. I write like this: 1 plus 3, 2 plus 1. Okay, 2 minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. Okay, what we get here? 4, 3, 2 minus 1 is 1, minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. Call it as equation 1. On the other hand, B plus A. So what is B plus A? B plus A is 3 plus 1. First write down B element. 1 plus 2. Minus 1 plus 2. And here minus 2 plus minus 1. Okay, so it is 3 plus 1 is 4. It is 3. Here minus 1 plus 2 is 1. Here minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. So equation 1 and 2, from 1 and 2 we get A plus B equal to B plus A. Hence proved. It is for 4 marks in the third question. Clear? See in the next question paper, for 2 matrices to be added. In the first question, it is for 2 marks. Fill in the blanks. For 2 matrices to be added, the matrices must be of, they give an option here, same size, different size and identical type. See, for the addition purpose, there is a basic condition. What is the basic condition? Basic condition is their order should be same. So what they ask, that for the 2 matrices to be added, the matrices must be of the same size. Okay, same size. Clear? This is the answer for 2 marks. Okay. Okay, in the the term determinant and matrices have the same meaning. True, false. It is a false because determinants is different, matrix is different, so it is false. Okay. Next question is, they given 2 matrices and find A plus B and A minus B. Okay, we solve it. We will solve it in the second question for 4 marks. Okay, so let A equal to 0, 4, 2, 9, B equal to 2, 4, 5, 7. What we have to find? A plus B. So find out A plus B. How to find? 0 plus 2, 4 plus 4, 2 plus 5, 9 plus 7. Take a corresponding elements. Okay. A plus B is 2, 8, 7 and 16. On other hand, they ask A minus B. Find out A minus B. 0 minus 2, 4 minus 4, 2 minus 5, 9 minus 7. Okay. 0 minus 2 is minus 2, 4 minus 4 is 0, 2 minus 5 is minus 3, 9 minus 7 is 2. So this is for 4 marks. Clear? Okay. In the next question, in the same question, they ask, state the type of matrices. Okay, there are so many types. We already studied. You just go through my previous session and see the types of matrices. Okay, this is also simple questions. Okay, next question. Question number 3. They ask A equal to the given matrix 5, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 1, 6, 4. What we have to find here? Find determinant of A for 4 marks. Okay. Take a determinant 5, 3, 2, 1, 6, 4. Okay. Plus, minus, plus. Sorry. 5 into. Drop this column, drop this row. 3, 2, 6, 4. minus 3. I write for you here. Minus 3. Drop this column and drop this row. Remaining write down in a determinant. Clear? Plus 2 into. Drop this column, drop this row. Like this. 2, 3, 1, 6. 2, 3, 1, 6. Now 5 into. Take a cross multiplication. Start from here. 4 3s are 12. Minus 12. Minus 3 into 8. Minus 2. Plus 2 into 12 minus 3. Clear? Here 0. 5 into 0. Minus 3 into 8 minus 2 is 6. Plus 2 into 12 minus 3 is 9. Okay. 5 into 0 is 0. Minus 18. Plus 18. So minus 18 plus 18, 0. So value of this determinant is 0. 0 means this is the singular matrix. Okay. Sometimes they ask, they given this matrix and question is show that this is the singular matrix. Okay. Because value is 0, write down here this is the singular matrix. Clear? Okay, our next topic is inverse of matrix. Inverse of matrix. Okay, how to find the inverse of matrix? See, first, what is the meaning of inverse? See, if 5 is any number, okay, I'll write here x. X is any number. What is the inverse of this number? Inverse of this number is 1 upon x. Okay. If I take the product of this two number, okay, x into 1 upon x, what we get here? 1. Okay. We called it as the inverse of x, or we called it as a reciprocal of x. Inverse of x is 1 upon x. Inverse of 1 upon x is x. Okay, this is the reciprocal. Okay. In a matrix, we say that if A matrix and its inverse, we denote it as a inverse like this. Okay, equal to I. How it is? A into reciprocal of A is 1 upon A equal to I. Okay. A means what? A. 1 upon A means A raised to minus 1. Here minus 1. Na? So A raised to minus 1. So A into A inverse is I. Similarly, we can say if A is a square matrix, I write shortcut square matrix, and if another matrix B such that AB equal to BA equal to I. What it mean? A is inverse of B and B is inverse of A. Okay. Same condition. Okay. Instead of A inverse, I write here B. Okay. AB equal to BA equal to I. Then B is called the inverse of A. Inverse of A. Okay. Understood? And it is denoted by A inverse like this. See, if I want to find the inverse of A, there is a one formula. A inverse equal to 1 upon determinant A into adjoint of A. adjoint of A. This is the formula to find the A inverse of given matrix. Learn it. Very important formula. Question always asked in a last question. For the inverse, they ask in a last question. So it has a weightage, lengthy question, lengthy answer. See, there are some steps to find the A inverse. First step, find determinant of A. Okay, determinant of A. Second, if determinant of A is equal to 0, write given matrix is singular matrix. We already know this, singular matrix. Therefore, inverse does not exist. Does not exist. Okay. If determinant A is not equal to 0, write matrix is non-singular. Non-singular. Write matrix is singular matrix. Okay. If determinant A is not equal to 0, write matrix is non-singular matrix. Therefore, inverse exists. Okay. Go to the third step. What is third step? Third step, find minor and cofactors. Fourth, write down cofactor matrix. After that, write adjoint of A. How to write adjoint of A? Transpose of cofactor matrix. Cofactor matrix. Clear? Then apply the formula. Apply formula. Right below that, write down same formula. Clear? These are the steps to find the A inverse. Take a screenshot. Now we will go through the one example. Find inverse of a matrix. Question is find inverse of a matrix. The given matrix here 7 minus 2 6 minus 6 2. Matrix is given. What is the first step? First step is find determinant of A. Determinant of A is 7 minus 2 minus 6 2. Okay. How to find determinant? Start from here. Take cross multiplication. 7 2s are 14 minus 6. Minus 6 into minus 2. It is plus 12, because minus become plus, and I write here 12. Okay. Now 14 minus 12 is 2. This sign is in the formula. Okay. And plus 12 is what? Product of minus 2 and minus 6. Getting or not? So answer is 2. So 2 is not equal to 0. Therefore A inverse exists. Okay. Go to the next step. What is the next step here? Find the minor. M11. M11 means what? Minor of this 7. Drop this column, drop this row, remaining is 2. Simultaneously find out C11. 1 plus 1 is 2. So don't change the sign. 2 keep as it is. M12. M12 means this number. First row, second column. So drop this row and drop this column. Remaining is 6. C12. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 is the odd number. Change the sign of minor. Similarly, find M21. M21 means 6. Second row, first column. So drop this column, drop this row, remaining is -2. C21. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 is an odd number. Change the sign of minor. Okay. Next, M22. M22 means what? This number. Second row, second column. Drop the first second column, second row. Remaining is 7. C22. 2 plus 2 is 4. It is even number. Don't change the sign of minor. Keep as it is. After that, write down the cofactor matrix. Cofactor matrix is 2 minus 6, 2, 7. Okay. Then next step is, I write here, adjoint of A. What is the adjoint of A? Transpose of cofactor matrix. What is the transpose? Interchange the rows and column. 2 minus 6 is my row. I write it as a column. 2, 7 is my second row. I write it as a second column. This is my adjoint of A. After that, write down the formula. A inverse equal to 1 upon determinant A into adjoint of A. Okay. I write here. Okay. A inverse equal to 1 upon determinant A. What is the determinant A? Determinant A is 2. So 1 upon 2 into adjoint of A. This. 2, 2 minus 6, 7. So answer is 2 upon 2 is 1, 2 upon 2 is 1, minus 6 upon 2 is minus 3, and it is 7 by 2. This is my A inverse. Clear? Okay. Check this A inverse is correct or not. How it is? By taking the product of A into A inverse. This is my A, this is my A inverse, and it will be I. 0, 1, 1, 0. Then our answer is correct. Okay. Take a screenshot. In the previous question paper, they ask one question. Compute the inverse of matrix A equal to 1, 2, 5, 2, 3, 1, minus 1, 1, 1. Okay, what we have to do here? We have to find the inverse. Go through the steps. First, determinant of A. Determinant of A is 1, 2, 5, 2, 3, 1, minus 1, 1, 1. Find its determinant. Determinant is, see, this is plus, minus, plus. 1 into, I write here, 3, 1, 1. Okay. Minus 2 into, 2, 1, minus 1, 2, 1, minus 1, 1. Plus 5 into, drop this column, drop this row, 2, 3, minus 1 plus 1. Clear? Take cross multiplication. 3 minus 1 minus 2 into 2 minus 1 plus 5 into 2 minus 3. So it is 1 into 2 minus 2. It is 2 plus 1. It is 3 plus 5 into 2 plus 3, 5. So 2 minus 6 plus 25. 2 minus 6 plus 25 is 21. Is not equal to 0. Therefore, A inverse exists. Go through the next step. What is determinant of A is 21. Because of limited space, I remove the determinant A steps. I write here determinant A is 21. Okay. What is my next step? Next step is M11. How to find M11? See, first row, first column. First row, first column. I already told you how to find the minor of 3 by 3 matrix. So it is 3 minus 1, so it is 2. Okay, C11. C11 is what? 2. Okay, M12, first row, second column, first row, second column. So 2 minus 1, so 2 plus 1, it is 3. Okay, C12, so it is minus 3. Clear? Okay. Now M13, first row, third column, first row, third column, remaining is this. So 2 minus minus 3, 2 minus minus 3 is 5. C13, it is 4. This keep as it is. Again, M21, second row, first column, second row, first column. So 2 minus 5, 2 minus 5 is minus 3. So C21 is 3. Okay, next M22, second row, second column. So 1 minus minus 5, it is 6. Don't change the sign, keep as it is. M23, second row, third column, second row, third column. So 1 minus minus 2, so it is 3. See here, C23, it is minus 3. Again, M31, third row, first column. So 2 minus 15, 2 minus 15 is 13, minus 13, minus 13. So C11, I write here, C31 is 13, minus 13, don't change the sign. M32, third row, second column. So 1 minus 10, 1 minus 10 is 9, minus 9. So C32, so it is 9. M33, third row, third column. So 3 minus 4, it is minus 1. M33, it become minus 1. Sorry, it is C. So write down here cofactor matrix is, cofactor matrix is 2 minus 3, 5, 3, 6 minus 3, and here minus 13, 9 and minus 1. Take its transpose and called it as adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is, see, 2 minus 3, 5. Okay, 3, 6, minus 3. Here minus 13, 9, minus 1. What we do here? Transpose of this. This is my row. I write it as a column. Now apply the formula. A inverse equal to 1 upon determinant A into transpose of, adjoint of A. Put all values here. 1 upon determinant A is 21 and adjoint of A is this. So this is my required answer. Keep as it is, you will get the full marks. This is my answer. Take a screenshot. After practice, you also do this. In the next section, we will see the solution of simultaneous linear equation using the matrix system. Okay. Share it to your friends. And subscribe my channel. Subscribe. Thank you student, and all the best.